I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: level, prior quests, and membership or funds. Once done, open your map and set the quest giver as your waypoint so you don't wander. Talk to the NPC immediately, accept the unlock quest, and follow its objective markers. Make sure to equip a fast horse to shave travel time and collect any required items listed in the quest. This gets you moving quickly and puts you on the path toward Jorvik City without delay. Once you've accepted the City Unlock quest, focus on the intermediate objectives: fetch items, deliver messages, or clear small obstacles. You should follow quest markers and prioritize tasks that unlock gates or dialogue options. Use fast travel points and your horse's sprint to reduce backtracking, and craft or buy any flagged items early so they don't block progress. Make sure conversations are completed in the right sequence, because missing a single dialogue can prevent the final unlock trigger from. You finish by returning and completing the final dialogue, paying any required fee, or using the key item. Once the NPC confirms, watch for the gate animation and step through immediately to register the unlock. If the city does not open, first relog and reload your area. Next, clear temporary game cache or fast travel away and back. If it still fails, check your quest log for a missing objective. Then contact in-game support with your quest ID and screenshots so they can reset the state for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.